Hello everyone and Assalamu alaikum. It's the 12th of November 2023 and winter is almost here. The weather in London right now is wet, cold, gloomy, and looking around my garden is looking pretty depressing. It's been a while we haven't uploaded a YouTube video, so today we thought we'll give you guys a walkthrough and an update of our garden, and believe it or not, we still have a few things to harvest.
One of the bottle gourd we kept for seed, and mashallah, this is huge and it is hard as a rock. It's time to harvest this khoddu, the bad boy, and get some seeds out from this khoddu. The plant has died off and is rotting. November is the best month to clear your garden and put a lot of organic matter to the soil. Now this next week, I'm going to show you how we mulch our garden and the type of stuff that we put into the ground to revitalize the soil and get it ready for next season. This is all dead, and believe it or not, we still have another bitter gourd to harvest here. We still have quite a few tomatoes to harvest.
Guys, I told you we had a few things to harvest. Check these out. We have an eggplant over here hiding in the leaves. Let's harvest this one. Look at that. That's good for November, isn't it? Tiny one. Oh, and there's some white Casper aubergines over here. Check these out. 3 of them. There's 4 on this plant. Look at that. Amazing.
So plenty of chilies to harvest, Akif. These are my favorite, black or purple chilies.
We better harvest these fast before they start rotting as well, Dad.
Yeah, they'll start rotting, so harvest all of them. And plenty of chilies here. They need to be dried up and make chili flakes out of them.
Oh wow, they look so vibrant, these chilies.
They do.
So bright red. This is our Hirula plant. It produced so many Hirulas for us, and now it's starting to die and rot off. There's a few more Hirulas on this plant, but they're going to start rotting.
They'll rot it, okay.
Yeah, sadly.
These 2 plants alone giving us so many bitter gourd this year. It's unbelievable.
There's a few more tomatoes over here which are rotted. Yeah.
Now normally summertime we can't travel because of gardening, but we normally travel during October and November, and we haven't been in the garden for the past few weeks actually.
Yeah.
And look at the woodies, Hakim. I think you should harvest them before they rot.
Let's just harvest them. Some over here. Look at these.
Nice. Do you want to harvest this baby aubergine?
Yeah, might as well, Dad.
Otherwise they're going to rot. This one, look, this one here.
It's better to harvest them than just to leave them to rot. Oh, there's more.
Ah, look at the nugget chilies. We have a lot of chilies rotting. We just didn't have time to harvest them. I have to harvest all the chilies I give.
But Dad, the chilies still give the garden like a good colour.
It does.
Keeps it a
They
bit
do.
more alive, doesn't it?
They do.
There's quite a lot of aubergines on this plant. The Ori tried escaping.
Do you want to harvest that long big hodu that we left for seeds?
Yes. Can't wait to
And
harvest it.
there should be a few aubergine on these plants. Are there any?
Yeah, there's just one baby one here. Just one of them. Just a few baby ones, that's it.
These are mustard leaf. I love my mustard leaves. So I'm going to actually remove all this weed so this mustard leaf can flourish.
Time to harvest this one. Guys, it's rock hard. We've been leaving this for seeds. And it's pretty long. Oh. Wow. Look at this one.
That's a huge one.
Yes, it's very long, Dad.
That's almost tall as you.
Almost there.
Should we just give everyone a quick update inside the greenhouse?
Yep. Let me get everything.
Oh, there's two more aubergine here. White Casper. Look at this beautiful looking chili. I'm going to take this inside the greenhouse. This one. It's got lovely looking chilies.
This hodl is pretty heavy, Dad. Let's check what's inside the greenhouse.
There's not much. Everything's rotting. We need to clear everything. Oh, look, there's a baby hodu here. There's a baby hodu.
Baby hodl.
We still have a few more tomatoes left. It's not bad for middle of November.
And there's more aubergines. This is a nice looking aubergine.
That's a good looking one. There's a long aubergine there.
Oh yeah.
That's a long one there. And that's a snake gourd. This goat's been funny. Is there any peppers left on there?
Yes, we got three peppers on this
few
plant.
bell peppers, yes.
Yep. That's good.
But lots of chilies. We've harvested so many chilies, and we made some of them we dried, we made pickles out of them, shared plenty with our friends and family. But all good thing has to come to an end.
There's a tomato there.
Yeah, that's a beautiful looking tomatoes. That's it, good. Oh, there's more tomatoes here. Keep looking. There's more tomatoes. Look.
Oh yeah.
There's more tomatoes. still plenty of vegetable left to harvest. There's more green. I will leave this green tomatoes on the plant.
What happened to this chili plant? It's just
It's
collapsed.
dying. It's coming to an end.
Still quite a lot of chilies on here though.
Just needs to harvest them. Oh. Okay, so we have to get back working, Akib.
Yeah.
This week we need to clear all the dead plants, clear everything actually, mulch the ground, and get the ground ready for next year.
Yeah. We need to bring enough nutrients for the soil for the next season. We need to remove all of this. We need to give our garden a deep clean, Dad.
Yes. That's a beautiful looking pepper. These peppers you use to make pickles out of them. They're not spicy.
Oh, I tried these before. They have a bit of sweetness to the chili. It's not too spicy, but it has a bit of a kick.
Okay. All good things come to an end. Okay, well, look at this beautiful. Look at that Carolina Reaper. Look at that Reaper. Not bad, Akib.
Not bad.
Not bad for November, mid-November. And look at that baby khudu.
Yeah. Oh my god, this one is heavy.
This is heavy. That is a heavy monster. Really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share the video with friends and family. Try to inspire them to grow their own fruits and vegetables.
As you know, sharing is caring. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do something amazing and hit that subscribe button. And hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time we upload. Stay safe, Assalamu alaikum, and until then I'll see you in the next one.
Happy gardening. Assalamu alaikum. We'll see you in the next one.